अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today we will discuss on the Haroof mukatiat, which possesses the nukat, points, dots. All the Haroof mukatiat without three letters are pointless, dotless, nuktaless. They have no nukta, they have no nukat, and they are popular. Mostly peoples recites the Quran and mostly recites the ayats of these letters. What is the function of these letters? There are two types of letters in Arabic language. There are 28 letters in Arabic language. Some of them are point or with nukat, and some are without nukat or point. Those letters who have no point, no nukat, no nukta, these letters are used for bounding of evilness, bounding of bad habits, bounding of shir al ashrar, bounding of satanic deeds, evil deeds, bad habits, diseases, and for the purpose of treatment of ghost or genie. Those letters who have no nukat, no point, such as alif, lam, mim, have no point, no nukat. Alif, lam, mim, ra, these letters have no nukat, no point. Alif, lam, mim, swad, taha, yaseen. Alif, lam, ra, alif, lam, mim, ra, ha, mim, swad. These letters have no nukat, no points, and used for blocking or bounding the evilness, bad deeds, shir al ashrar, and those letters who have nukat or point, they are used for opening of goodness, opening of magical blocking, opening of satanic blocking, opening of job, opening of business, opening of health, opening of prosperity, removing of poverty, opening of love, opening of passion. Now I am telling which letters have nukat in Haroof mukatiat, separate letters. Noon wal kalam wama yasturun. Noon wal kalam wama yasturun. Here God is Almighty Allah is oath, the noon and the wal kalam and the written by the kalam. Noon, oath of noon, oath of wal kalam means pen, for writing pen, and written by a pen. Three things are described in these ayats. Noon wal kalam wama yastrun. It can remove blockings of evil eye, nazare bad, hasad, al hasad, removing of jealousy, removing of side effects of jealousy, removing of side effects of uyunul lamat, nazare bad, removing of the bad effects of evil eye. Why here God is oathing the word, the letter noon? Actually, our whole universe is made of like a circle, because every skies, seven earths, galaxies are in the cover of Arshal Azim, crown throne of God. Al Arshal Azim, Rabbul Arshal Azim. You have studied in books Rabbul Arshal Azim. Arsh is the shape of letter sheen, and letter sheen is numerical value of Abjad al-Qamari is 360 in circle. Therefore, in the universe, every satellite, every star, every earth, every najum is circle, is like a ball, and has 360 degrees. Every circle has 360 degrees. In the same way, and the people have a nafs, and nafs has four hamzats, four twin angels, and every twin angel has a shape of triangle, and every triangle have 90 degrees. According the Sufism, there is popular that mutu kablal mutu. It means not kill any nafs, but dominance over them, balance over them. How to balance? If twin angels of fire is powerful, we recite the letters of air, it will be more powerful, more energized, and will create troubles for the person. If we have treating here, we have to recite the letters or names which belongs to earth or a dust or a khak or earth, because if we use earth, fire will be not finished and earth will not be finished. And if we use water letters, water names, it will finish the holy power of fire, and that is unbalancing system. Accurately, in spirituality, in al hikmat, in all medical science, we have to balance the element system. How balance is useful? Balance is so much useful in whole universe. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala described the word al-mizan in Surah Rahman, Surat al-Rahman. Mizan, without mizans no man can walk, without mizan no man can move, without mizan no universal satellites, stars can move or rotate. It is a mizan, that is a system is until continuously working. In same way, when a Sufi, when a Bozrik, when a Alim, when a scholar sees a patient, he balances the Arba Anasir, he balances the four elements. What is noon? Noon is a kind is a part of Arsh, is a part of Arsh because it is an Arsh. What is noon? Our earth is a part of a noon, and noon is a part of Arsh, crown prince, crown throne, throne of God. Now, what is noon? Noon is the shape of a fish, and noon is the shape of a fish, and noon is the shape of fish angel also. And same way, God is oathing wal kalam, pen, and written by. If anyone who wants to write their right goodness for anyone, want to change the fate of anyone for goodness, he will use also this ayat-e karima, noon wal kalam wama yasturun. At the same way, this surat, this ayat also a beneficial for evil eye removing. Sayyidina Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam has said that if anyone recites the ayat wa in yakadul lazina kafaru la yuzlukunaka bi absarum lama sami'u zikra wa yaquluna wa innahu la majnun. And second letter is Kaf wal Quran al Majid. God here oathing the word Kaf and wal Quran al Majid, holy book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Quran al Majid. Here what is Kaf? Kaf is the power and Kaf is the Ruh-e-Azam. I have described already in Urdu videos. Kaf is the gateway of Dairatul Samdaniya, the circle of Dairatul Samdaniya, the circle of Samdaniya, where saints or Awliya Kiram recites the Isme Azam, greatest name of God, and when they recites the Daira Samdaniya, Zikre Daira Samdaniya, they gets a name of God from Ilm al-Ludni, and that is Kaf also. That belongs to Kaf. And third letter, that is as a points as a Yaseen wal Quran al Hakim. Yaseen word has also greatest powers, belongs to Hikmat wal Quran al Hakim. God also Yaseen wal Quran al Hakim. That Quran Majid Furqan Hamid also have a methods of Hikmat. And Yasin, Ya has also 2 points, therefore it is also useful. These 3 letters have numerically value is 220, and 220 is the numerical value of Qul Huwallahu Ahad, and these 3 letters has numerical value of Ruk and Rafad. Now you see word Kaf, word Yasin. Yasin is the extract of Surah Yasin. The whole meaning of Surah Yasin in one ayat is called Salamun Qawlan min Rabbin Rahim, and the whole meaning of Salamun Qawlan min Rabbin Rahim in Yasin. If anyone uses in reciting, in meditation, in treatment of anyone, he can open the gates of divine knowledges, divinity. He can treat of anyone. He can remove any blocking. If anyone wants to write the magical square, I have already described in Urdu lectures of Yasin. that I have written on board. Then he will write noon, kaf, and yasin. Four letters in three columns, and it will be has a value 220. And he will open the whole blockings naturally, financially, or he will remove illness, he will remove evilness, he will remove evil eye. So I hope you will understand, and you will get benefits to my lecture. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.